Hello and welcome to this video on how to process a refund in QuickBooks Online. Please note that this process is specifically for issuing refunds. If you need to provide a customer with credit they can use for a future purchase, you'll want to use a credit memo instead. Go ahead and select New, then choose Refund Receipt. If you know your customer's name, simply type it in here. However, you can leave this blank if you're unsure. Next, enter the date when you issued the refund to the customer. After that, select the payment method you used to return the funds. If the correct payment method isn't listed, click Add New to add it. Remember, this action only records the refund in QuickBooks. To actually return the money to your customer, you will still need to issue a check. Or if you're using a third-party payment processor like PayPal or Stripe, you'll have to process the refund through them to ensure the funds reach your customer. In the Refund From field, select the account that was used for the refund. Typically, this will be a bank account. If you issued a check, you can enter the check number manually or opt to print it later if you'd like QuickBooks to handle the printing for you. Now enter the product or service that was refunded, along with the refund amount. If the item is taxable, QuickBooks will also apply the sales tax. This ensures the customer is refunded for the tax you collected, and it reduces your overall sales tax liability. If you track this product in your inventory, QuickBooks will automatically return the item to inventory. If the product is defective and you do not want it back in stock, you will need to adjust your inventory manually. Once you've finished entering the details, click Save and Send if you'd like to email the refund receipt to your customer, or choose another save option if you don't wish to email it. Click OK when you're done. Later, as the refund clears through your bank or credit card account, it will appear in the Transactions screen. From there, QuickBooks will match it with the refund receipt you recorded earlier. Select Match to connect everything, and you're all set.